Welcome to Cooking with Gringo, where it's Budget Meal Friday, where we cook delicious meals that don't break the bank. Today we're going to make unstuffed cabbage roe. We're going to start dicing one large onion. And we're going to chop one head of cabbage. And we're going to mince 3 cloves of garlic. We'll just add the garlic to the cabbage that we already chopped up. We're going to heat a large pot over medium heat. We're going to add 2 pounds of ground beef. And that large onion that we diced. We're going to cook the onion and beef until the beef is brown for 5 to 7 minutes. Now that the beef is cooked, we're going to drain and discard the grease. Now we're going to add that 1 head of cabbage and the 3 cloves of garlic. We're going to add 2 14.5 ounce cans of diced tomatoes. One 8-ounce can of tomato sauce. And a half a cup of water. Add 2 teaspoons of salt. And 1 teaspoon of black pepper. We're going to cover and reduce heat. And let it simmer for 30 minutes. 30 minutes later, it's time to turn off the heat. And it's time to eat. Now it's time to dig in. Bon appetit. It's good. Could use some more seasoning. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.